Koraput district comes under Eastern Ghat highland type agroecological zone, situated amidst the picturesque Devamali hill range, the highest mountain peak of Odisha. The innovative project spring-based irrigation system is present at village Putsil under Dudhari Panchayat of Simligura block, Koraput district.
Putsil village under Simligura block under Dudhari GP is a village which is inhabited by almost tribals. 99.5% of the population are tribals and only 7 are scheduled caste people. The villagers were having land of FRA. We allotted FRA lands against most of the beneficiaries. Since it was a highland and there was no irrigation facility, the people used to depend on rainwater only. So during lean season, they used to migrate to other areas to have labor. But there was a medium-sized perennial stream flowing, and we thought of providing irrigation facility to these barren lands, and we took up the work through watershed department.
Zero energy consumed gravity fed spring based irrigation system is an effective way to provide water to agricultural land. As per the project, at the origin of the spring, a collection cum filter chamber was constructed to collect and filter the water. Then the collected water was brought to the storage tank having a capacity to store 15,000 liters of water by laying of PVC pipes along the contour line. Once the water reached the storage tank from the collection chamber, separate PVC lines were laid from the storage tank to agricultural field of the beneficiaries. As many as 12 numbers of junction chambers with shut-off valve was constructed to supply water to each farmer's land. Through the project, the spring water was brought around 2.5 km down from the origin place to the farmer's field. This water conservation innovation created an additional irrigation potential of 47 acres. This has benefited 63 numbers of beneficiaries and generated 3700 man days employment.
मेरा नाम जयदेव दिशारी, मैं पुटसिल गांव का निवासी हूं। पहले हमारे गांव में पानी के लिए बहुत समस्या थे। केवल बारिश के पानी में ही हम लोग पोडू कल्टीवेशन करते थे और एक ही फसल उगाते थे। अब हम लोग हर सीजन में फसल उगाते हैं। अब हमारे गांव में अदरक, गोभी, टमाटर, मूल, बादाम, बीम जैसा फसल उगाते हैं और बेच के पैसा कमाते हैं। अब हम लोगों का आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत सुधर आए हैं।
The intensive agriculture in the ICOT area by utilizing spring water helps in doubling farmers' income.
After completion of the project, it provided irrigation facility to near about 50 acres of land, and 263 families were benefited through the process. As a result, their financial standing improved a lot, and the migration which they were used to go stopped immediately. The village really marks an excellence in the field of providing irrigation to the barren lands, and the agricultural output of the farmers have put them in a better standing than ever.
Farmers of Putsil are reaping benefits of irrigation facility. The agricultural activities at Putsil witnessed a sea change since the commissioning of the spring-based irrigation system, which converts the barren land into green.